Hey guys, so it is the end of February on a Friday and my sister is heading over and that vacuum's so loud. Everything's a mess, my house is a mess. And my sister is coming over and we're going to the beach. And this is pretty exciting because I never go to the beach in this area. I have a boat, I go to sandbars, I go to islands, but I almost never go to the beach. I've probably been to the beach 5 times in the 8 years I've lived over here on the West Coast. So yeah. And we're bringing Wednesday, that's my little kitten. She's going to experience the beach for the first time today. Atticus is crying because he needs attention or something. And yeah, super exciting. So of course going to bring you guys with us. Not sure if this will be a long video or anything, but still going to bring you guys along so you can experience this fun sister beach day, you know, with us and everything. So let's go. I'm getting everything packed up, waiting for my sister to get here, and we will be off. Alright, we made it to the beach. We have Wednesday. Is she cute? She's sleeping. We have way too much stuff.
Way too much.
Way too much stuff for 2 people going to the beach. But, you know,
How we doing it?
that's who we are as people. Way too much stuff and we still forgot things.
Forgot so many things.
She's lost her mind, folks. She's off the rails. We made it! Look how cute she is. If you guys ever come to Honeymoon Island to go to the pet beach, beware that the pet beach is freaking forever away from the parking lot.
18 miles.
Yeah, and there should be a sign because it was a lot. But we made it.
I can't help it. You're the first thing I see in the morning. When you're with me, I feel so important. We both felt this, waking up in the town.
Wednesday was a little spooked, understandably, so she stayed in her carrier most of the time because that's where she was comfortable. But she had her own little personal AC, and she was in the shade, so she stayed nice and cool. There was some dogs loose running around, which made me a little nervous because I didn't want anyone to come running up to us, but no one did, luckily. However, I was on lookout so I didn't have to, you know, fight a dog, because who wants to do that?
The places we'll go.
Just us, hula hoop, and a cat.
We're really just making a spectacle of ourselves.
When I think of the things that we'll go through, will your voice be the one I come home to? Count my blessings, all the hands that I use to adore you.
Don't need much for a beach guy day. Wow. Don't need much for a beach day, guys.
Yeah, you did that backwards.
You know. $10 umbrella from Walmart, some towels. Everything else, extra, although I do suggest a cat.
The places we'll go. Come to me for comfort. We'll go out this summer. When it rains, it pours. We'll just find some cover. Oh, come to me for comfort. We'll go out this summer. Go to every shore. I can't wait to see the places we'll go. Come to me for comfort. We'll go out this summer.
I call this, we forget the cameras on and filmed like 15 minutes of us just talking while I was hula hooping. No idea that we were recording this much, just wasting battery. All right guys, it's about 4 and we are heading out.
We made it.
Such a good beach day. Wednesday was perfect, little angel, and now we have to make the forever trek back to the car. So, wish us luck. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll be back to fishing soon. Bye.